Welcome, viewer. If you haven't done so already, please make sure you go down below, like, and subscribe. And don't forget to click that bell icon so you can get the notifications.
Snowflake Prepper has chosen a waist pouch for the pouch of choice for her EDC kit. Looking over it, it connects to the belt loop and then down and around the lower thigh. She chooses to wear it on the left side. It has two zippers. It opens all the way up. Inside are multiple layers of compartments and Molly. Her flashlight of choice is a 1500 lumen rechargeable flashlight. Very heavy duty and rugged in design. It has multiple settings, from high to low to strobe. Snowflake Prepper has chosen a Cabela's Multitool. Small in its design, it has multiple functions. From the Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, knife, pliers, and saw. It's pretty well made in its design. So she has chosen a full set of pliers. She can also use as a hammer. She has chosen an all-in-one full set of screwdrivers. It has the small, large, through medium sockets attached. She has a full set of socket heads. Stashed away in her EDC kit, she carries an 84 by 52 inch emergency Mylar blanket. She plans to use this blanket to help prevent hypothermia during cold conditions. A poncho during rainy weather. Shelter cover. Reflective device. She has chosen to keep a few feet of aluminum foil for cooking. 25 feet of paracord. There's no need for me to even say all the different uses for this item. Since Snowflake Prepper is an avid bike rider, she has chosen to carry a bungee cord. She uses it currently to strap items down to her bag. 20 feet of wire. There are amazing uses for an item like this. A small assortment of nails and screws. She can use this for multiple things. She has also chosen to wrap her nails and screws in a few feet of electrical tape. She chooses to carry some zip ties. Maybe she's planning on carrying a detainee along. And oh yes, who can forget about the trusty lighter? She carries two Sharpie markers, a red, a black. She has wrapped the red one with a full roll of medical tape. Obviously, for a bike rider, this is a necessity. But for a prepper? Due to its flat design, she carries a skinny knife. She can use this to prepare her food or defensive. A full roll of electrical tape. She has unrolled the tape and wrapped it around a card. This is her most used item. Flashcards. She could take notes, make sketches. Moving on to her medical supplies. To ensure that she has something for major bleeding, she carries a Cat 5 tourniquet. Nasal airway tube. She has a small pack of latex gloves with about 4 pair. There are multiple uses of the latex gloves, like water carry. A pack of compressed gauze in case of heavy bleeding. She carries a small assortment of medications, anti-itch medication, anti-diarrhea, and a few water purification tablets included. My overall opinion of Snowflake Prepper's EDC kit is it is very well put together. It was smart for her to choose a waist pouch since she is a bike rider. She doesn't have to put it in her pocket or carry a purse. Because of the two zipper designs, it can fully open and expose everything without anything spilling out. She can also just partially open it and remove items just from the top. For a Snowflake prepper's first EDC kit, job well done. Again, if you haven't done so, please make sure you like and subscribe.